In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashed or dotted line chart in Power BI. This can be a visually effective way to distinguish data series or give your reports a distinct look. Let's dive into how you can achieve this in a few simple steps. First, you'll need to start by selecting the line chart visual. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and add a line chart to your Power BI report. You can find this in the Visualizations pane, typically on the right-hand side of your screen. Simply click on the line chart icon, and it will create a placeholder visual on your canvas. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Format Your Visual pane. This is your go-to place for customizing the look and feel of your visualizations in Power BI. After selecting your line chart, just look for the paint roller icon that appears above the canvas. Clicking this will bring up a wide range of formatting options for your chart. Once you are in the Format Your Visual pane, it's time to choose the series you want to edit. If you have multiple data series in your line chart, you will see them listed here. You will now select the specific series you want to change. Power BI makes it easy to modify individual series to suit your needs or style. With your series selected, you'll now change the line style to either dashed or dotted. Scroll down until you find the Shapes section within the formatting menu. You'll see a drop-down for line style. Click on this and you will find several options, including the standard solid line, dashed, or dotted. Simply select dashed or dotted depending on your preference, and you'll notice the line in the chart update immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dashed or dotted line chart in Power BI. These simple adjustments can help bring clarity to your visualizations, especially when dealing with multiple data series. Remember, you can always go back to the Format Your Visual pane to make further tweaks or alterations. Experiment with different styles and see what works best for your report. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for enhancing your reports in Power BI. If you need more tips or want further insights, don't hesitate to explore other resources or tutorials. Keep practicing, and you'll be creating stunning, insightful visualizations in no time.